see. Monkey's down here pretty good. Position. Shannon keeps bombarding me with boxes.
We got Charlie all over this area. I gotta have those fast movers in here now. Over. Lieutenant Dan!
It's pretty basic here. You stick with me. You learn from the guys that've been in country a while, you'll be all right.
At ease, everyone. It's Mark here at the Blue Rose Bath and Body. It's 0300, and as you can see, I have all my troops lined up here to ward off the advances of all of Shannon's boxes coming in upon me.
0300, infantry.
Well, as you noticed, I have a plethora of these baking soda bags. They're 12 pounds each. I got them from Walmart. Pretty good value. Basically cleaned them out, and I will be going back to check for further bags of baking soda. Here's some more of my troops that I cleaned out of Walmart. You might recognize these bad boys right here. They're always ready to do battle the dreaded lie. They're always out there. It's like the Sith. They're always coming back upon you, you know?
Always two there are. No more, no less.
Let's see how many of these I got. Line up, troops. All in line. Sound off. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 of those. So I got one more than I did baking sodas. So we're going to be making bath bombs. A lot of bath bombs and a lot of soaps for you guys. What else did I get at Walmart? They were having some clearance on these. That wasn't the actual price. But I got me some heart molds there. Some silicone molds there. Some more different varieties. Might make like a cupcake heart. That would be interesting to see what I can do with for Valentine's Day or anytime. Some more little hearts I got. This is like little Reese's hearts. Then there's some little roses, which we already have roses. It's always good to experiment. Here's some more smaller roses than these. And let's see. A more variety of roses. More roses. Never can have hearts. I got roses on the brain now. Never can have too many hearts. And here's some more little, I guess that's heart within a heart. So could have used that earlier in the my heart is yours. My heart is yours. But you can see them better on the outside. There's variations of them. All right, so pick those up. Speaking of Walmart, when we have gift sets and like 2 or 3 or more boxes than one to deliver to someone, we don't have bigger white boxes. So we went around looking for cheap boxes, and we found these guys at Walmart. And they're just the right size. What are they? 12 by 8 by 10. You can put about 3 of our gift set boxes in there. That works out pretty well. I got a pallet of those, stack of them for a good price. Just let you know you can always shop around and find good prices. Speaking of Walmart, it's funny that I'm doing this video before I get to the unboxing, because there is unboxings to come. This was just my Walmart haul, I guess you could say, with the boxes. But Shannon was looking at a story, and I'll see if I can inset their mugshot pictures. I don't know if it was true. Some people were saying it's fake, fake stories on the internet or whatnot. But it was about this homeless couple that were living in an attic above Walmart for 2 years. And they had it set up with surround sound, big screen TV. They were hacking into the satellite. They even got the NFL ticket. They were living the highlight. They were also up to no good. Supposedly they were cooking up some things they shouldn't have been. You can read the story, and it's funny how they got found out. That's an even more naughty story that I'm not going to go over in this video, but if you want to look it up, I might link it below, but you can just put in couple living over a Tennessee Walmart. It's quite humorous. I thought it was. If you're interested in that, check that out. You'll get a good laugh out of that. Now, if it was true, I feel bad that they were homeless, but they were up to no good now. There's other means you can go and get help. It is a funny story, so check that out.
Meanwhile,
all right, I deployed all my troops and got them off on their secret missions or special missions. I wanted to snag this. I grabbed this away from Shannon real quick. She didn't want me to get all this out. She's still toying around and playing with it to figure out, the ins and outs of it, which will really help me because, I'm not the most tech savvy. Got to figure this bad boy out. It is a EOS 250D, a Canon camera, and it's loaded.
No kidding. This baby is loaded.
She's packed all this in here. I'm not going to get it out. I don't want to disturb it. I wanted to leave it the way she had it in her bag. It came with this nice carrying case.
It's in the wood tone finish.
She hunted around for the perfect camera for the best price. We didn't just go out and buy a new one. We try to be frugal around here and save all we can, pass that savings along to you guys. I think she did pretty well here. This is going to help the quality of my videos, hopefully. She's been wanting to do that for a long time, and the main thing that she's concerned about is the sound quality. But the picture's okay for just getting going, but the sound quality, so she also added, it has its own mic, but this is a little boom mic, I guess. It's a little better quality. It's a Rode video microphone, it sticks on top of the camera, as you can see there. So I'm going to be heavy duty here, people. Feeling a little spoiled, right? It also came with this mini tripod, which is nice because for closer shots, you can see this. It has a little leveler right there. And if you stick it down, you can get a perfect level. See? A little off, and it goes right in the center. It's level. So that's nice. I really am going to enjoy playing with all these. Once she figures it out, she can let me know. Then I can figure it out. Then I can implement it and make better quality videos for you guys. So I took these hostage, interrogated them a little bit. We're going to get them back to their holding facility where Shannon can play with them a little more, interrogate them, and find out what information they have hiding in there.
Read the warranty?
So I can use them properly. And now we're going to get on to the unboxings.
a few moments later.
All right, I'm back. As you can tell, we're a big fan of Amazon Prime here. All right, so I'm going to start off with I think they're all from Amazon Prime, actually. Let's see. Let's start off with this long box here. See what's going on with this. All right, be careful with this box cutter. Cut away, cut away.
Swing away.
Let's not get my dress out there. All right. Well, there won't be packing slips because it's Amazon. It's all online. Okay. Oh, okay. I know what this is. Let's see here. Photo backdrop stand. I don't know if you noticed, but this backdrop we got in is very nice, but I have it taped up on the wall. Like I said, low rent production, people. We do what we have to do. Get these videos coming to you guys. But this is nice. This is going to be very nice. It has a carrying case with it. There's all the poles. So the next time that I make a video, hopefully, this will be hung up properly. Okay? Hey, like I said, we do what we have to do around here. All right, let's move this one out of the way. Over here.
Get over here!
Over. All right, here's a little Amazon Prime. Let's see if I can open this without boxing. Oh, yeah. Kind of know what I'm doing sometimes. Okay, I know what these are. This one right here, I'm gonna pull this out. We don't use this one. I'm gonna see what this turns out to look like. I'm gonna experiment with it a little bit. is a rose silicone mold. This one is more of a fuller rose. You might recognize this one if you ever, and I'll be making a video on this shortly. Kind of hard to see, but this one is the rose that sits atop of our signature bar. She said yes.
As I told you, it would be absolutely, totally, and in all other ways inconceivable.
I filled it up all the way the first time, and we ended up not putting the accent, smaller, lighter color roses on the side. And that was our special edition, which we kept around. But our signature bar, I filled this up halfway, and it sits atop with the 2 accent roses. Like I said, you're going to be seeing that video shortly. I look forward to making that one for you because we're having to restock it. So we'll be getting into that shortly. All right, let's get into this little monster. All right. Watch me. See, I almost went like that. Almost had a bad spill for it. I almost did it again. Here, let me turn it this way.
And you just keep going to...
Oh, my God.
I think you've got a bad cut there. We better get you to the hospital.
It's just a flesh wound, honestly. And,
Are you sure?
Nothing to write home about.
This thing's gonna get me, I'm telling you. That'd be a bad situation. We don't want that to happen. Well, I don't want it to happen. I don't know, maybe. I'm not gonna say that. Safe, people. Check yourself at all times. All right. Okay. Oh, this goes with the camera. This is the Professional Grade Mounting Solutions Arkin mounts. 2-year warranty. What it does is it sets on your table or whatnot and comes up, and I can get a better shot of me pouring and piping. I'm having difficulty right now. I'm having to reach over the table to do all those videos for you. Hopefully this will solve that. It'll come over and I can be more steady and make better products that way and not have to worry about the angles and whatnot. So I really do appreciate this. It could work with my camera right now, but she set me up to make some great videos for you guys, and hopefully I can pull those off. Like I said, I'm not the most tech savvy. All right. Some nice bubble wrap there. It's a big bubble wrap. I can use those on those bigger boxes I showed you earlier. And that's kind of what we do. If we have little boxes, we put them into a bigger box. They're not the fancier boxes we use, but I went over that a little bit earlier. What do we have in this small box? All right, so I ran into trouble with a couple of bars. The Hawaiian Shores bar in particular, I wanted to cut them after the fact, and I didn't have one of those single wire cutters because the embeds were the bar was too tall, basically, for the soapinator. Even that has its match sometimes, you know. Soapinator can't handle some things sometimes, and the strings will be broken, and he'll go offline. We've been over that in a video earlier. But this is nice because it has little measuring 1, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, and it has little guides. And if you're going to use a knife, the problem I was having with the Hawaiian Shores, I did that freehand with a knife, and some of the bars went a little off. They slope, you know, as the blade kind of slopes up, it kind of veered off. So this will solve that problem.
All the stores have this. You can't clean it. You can't open this up. It's worthless. Forget about it.
And it has a cutter. See? It'll guide it. Boom. And then it also has one of these. We haven't done this type of cut, and that'll be nice. We're going to be making some artisans, which they're low tops, I call them, and then the frosted, I call those high tops. So you got the frosted, all the bells and whistles, then you have the artisan, which is more a basic bar. And someone commented that they didn't like glitter. Well, I was kind of amazed at that. I like sparkles things. But I wanted to say, if you use the frosted ones and they're sparkling, you don't like that, let someone else use it a few times, then come behind them, because all that'll be gone. Okay? It'll be down the drain. It's perfectly safe. And I wanted to mention all the micas that we use. Everybody says they're eco-friendly, which they are, but I wanted to let you know they're produced from rocks. So you can't get more natural than that. Okay? I just wanted to mention, I always fail to mention that, but I hear that all the time. Well, they're eco-friendly, biodegradable, they're safe, but nobody ever explains that to you. So I just want to let you know that. That is why they're safe. And then we got some little baggies, which will work with our little dust on it. There. Okay. I must have got that off the back shelf. Oh, it's your little seal wraps. They're eco-friendly, I think. I'll check in on that. I hope they are. If not, we won't use them. We get something that we can't use, we won't use it because we are ethical here and we also are safe here. So what you do is you put your soap in there and seal them. But we already have that big sheet I showed you earlier in one of our videos. And it also comes with, of course, the little molds. This isn't like our brambleberry. I love our brambleberry mold because it slides out and this just falls right out the bottom. This will take a little bit more work, tap, tap, tappy to get these out, but I'm sure it'll be okay. Everything will work. And these will be, like I said, we're making a artisan low top for everyone out there that don't know what artisan is. Bars for men and women. That's coming down the pike. So be looking for that. Okay, guys? That's it for now. Be kind to people. Smile. Don't take anything to smile. If you like this video, like, share, comment, give us feedback. We always appreciate that.
Getting the right message isn't easy. It could take us all night.
And as always, you know, ring my bell. So you can be notified when these low rent productions are coming out. And I look forward to seeing you again. Bye.
It's your dime, spill it. All night, my foot.